Router lifts are popular among many woodworkers because of their ease of use. You can easily change the bit on top of the table instead of reaching underneath and removing the entire router. Rockler's SL lift is perfect for making dados and rabbets with ease, starting with the phenolic plate that fits perfectly into all of Rockler's router tables and benchtop tables. The lift is compatible with most 3.5-inch motor routers. Today, I'll be using the Bosch 1617 series router. If you're using anything smaller, such as a compact router, you'll need a compact adapter that you can pick up at your local Rockler woodworking store. Opening your box, you'll see that the lift has already been assembled for you. The other items that are in the box are the snap-lock release plate and a crank handle. Now flip the lift upside down and gently place the router motor inside. It's best to make a riser for your plate with a few pieces of scrap wood. Depending on which router you have, you may need to loosen the socket head screw a bit to slide yours in. The snap lock ring should be pressed firmly into the table to ensure that it's flush. Run your finger across the top or use a level to check for evenness. From time to time, you may have to adjust the thread tensioning if your bit lowers on its own after repeated use. Do this by loosening the hex nut and rotating the brass tensioning collar. After placing the lift in the table with the screws that were provided, use the crank handle to raise the router until the collet is above the table and place the snap lock ring back in. The bottom of the motor should be slightly above the insert ring release arm. Now use the crank handle and turn it clockwise so the carriage reaches the plate. The SL lift comes with a starter pin in the event you aren't using a fence, but today we are.